it's I've been here for 38 years, and you weren't standing in line, and that's the rule at the poly. You can go behind me. Sorry.
See, it's my 58th year here, so I'd be.
I know, but it's the way that the poly lines always work, so we'll just go with that.
I was here and I went to make us sandwiches.
I appreciate the
You
breakfast
were
sandwiches.
on one side, he was on the other side of the line.
Springtime in the Rocky Mountains means it's time to plant those cabbage seeds. Today is Good Friday, April 18th, 2025, and it is a powder day. 7 inches of fresh at Arapahoe Basin, and I-70 is closed. Hoosier Pass is closed. Loveland Pass is closed. So there's only one choice for me this morning as far as resorts go, and that is a basin. Super powder day here at Arapahoe Basin. Check it out. Knee deep in the lip line. Toss that board. Going for first chair. Right by this closed side. Dig out with the snow blower and they'll fire it back up.
There was a lot of brown showing.
Oh yeah. We got a lot of white showing here today.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Leslie.
Good to be seen. How are you today?
Excellent.
How's the trailer life?
You know, it's awesome as usual. Good to see you. How's the van life?
Phenomenal.
Yep. Gonna hang out here with me and get first chair on this powder day?
Yeah.
All right, we're on the
I
live.
gotta go put on different shoes though.
Okay, she's going for different shoes. Logan's saying what's up. Knee deep, dang. Yep.
I know, right?
Yep, knee deep in line.
And let me demonstrate the water content.
Oh yeah. Oh, champagne fluffiness. Yeah.
I would say that does not create much of a water content.
No.
Maybe 6%.
Sure. You can make a snow person, but
no, there's no.
Oh yeah, look at that. Dry, fresh champagne.
If I'm
best
not
in the world.
mistaken,
Wow.
there'll be more up there. Oh.
I think so. More up top. Oh, you know it. Okay, look at this snowmobiler. Rallying through the deepness. What's up? Deep.
Yeah.
Gonna be awesome up there.
How about just stop at the turnstile?
Yeah, give me 1 sec.
Okay, we'll give you a sec. No.
Okay, here they come. Yep. Pack it out here.
I'll take a decision on this way to go up here.
That's for deep.
Hey.
Good morning.
Hello.
Breakfast of Champions.
Thank you.
Red Bull and Sagrets. Oh, look at this. Push through the pow. Holy.
Yeah, dude. Be all You guys are here before me.
We tried, Leslie.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Sorry, I couldn't text back because of the.
I was waiting, but I
live
want to make
stream.
a
Alright,
sandwich.
man, it's I've been here for 38 years, and you weren't standing in line, and that's the rule at the poly. You can go behind me. Sorry.
We tried, Leslie. We
That's
tried.
okay. I'm not worried.
Thanks for the sandwich, but I saw Josh back there.
Yeah, he just rolled up. He was late.
Yep. Yeah, and I couldn't text. I got the live stream going here, so
It's okay.
that's the text back.
I waited until we moved, and I wouldn't have come with Tom until then, but that's sorry.
Well, it's my 58th year here, so I'd be.
I know, but it's the way that the poly lines always work, so we'll just go with that.
I was here and I went to make us sandwiches.
I appreciate the
You were
breakfast sandwiches.
on one side, he was on the other side of the line, so it's not
And this is how it goes sometimes.
This is the way she goes. It's the second chair nightmare. Okay. Good advice. Ski Patrol says they're just gonna lap it themselves.
We made a mistake when we bought Crystal by making the pass full pass, and we won't do that.
But notice that Crystal is unrestricted now. That only lasted 1 year.
I was planning on there today, but I-70 closed, so shut her down. We're doing it.
We're doing it.
Showtime.
It's
Powder
showtime,
day,
baby.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Good Friday. Oh,
Grab this look out.
board is slippery.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Next, all right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Pulling with the camera. All right, we did it.
Whoa,
Here
yeah.
we go. Live stream. Powder Day, Arapahoe Basin. Leslie. Yeah.
Good to go with the bar.
Yep.
You have a great day there,
You
Tom.
as well. We'll see you soon. Yep. Got plenty more season left. Any closing remarks for our powder run? Yeah, do it. Enjoy. Good morning. Yeah, first share powder day. Here we go. Not messing around. Leslie made it. He's got the GoPro. All right, here we go. See what we can do in this brace. I strapped in and took a deep breath. The first turn was electric, a swooping embrace of the mountain's curve. As I picked up speed, my board rose, gliding seamlessly above the firm crust beneath. The sensation of floating was intoxicating. Each carve was a rhythmic dance, cutting the snow like a painter's brushstroke and leaving behind swirling memories of my passage. Good Friday had arrived with a gift from the heavens. A swirling snowstorm blanketed Arapahoe Basin in fresh, feather-light powder. It was knee-deep, that irresistible kind of powder that promised freedom and euphoria. The conditions were surreal. Though yesterday's sun had melted and hardened the base beneath, today the slopes had been reborn. 7 inches of powder floated atop of the frozen layer. As I picked up speed, my board rose, gliding seamlessly above the firm crust beneath. The snowstorm surrounded me like an embrace, muffling the world in serene silence, broken only by the satisfying crunch of my board slicing through powder. The cold wind tore past, invigorating and alive, yet it couldn't pierce the warmth I felt, a warmth born of pure joy and connection to the mountain. Down Pallavicini's iconic steeps, I felt the adrenaline surge as I dodged pines, standing watch over the trails. The powder billowed around me like a veil, soft and forgiving, inviting me to push harder, go faster. Even the occasional slip into yesterday's frozen layer was nothing more than a reminder to keep my speed, to stay light-footed and daring. It wasn't just snowboarding, it was communion with nature, with the storm, with every flake that had come together to make this mountain sing. The day's magic wasn't just the snow, it was the fleeting perfection of those 7 inches of powder, the storm's raw beauty, and the feeling of being utterly, blissfully free.
As I reached the base, I paused, already yearning for one more ride.